manipulator of DOM. So, now, marami na sila. Now, here comes Google. Okay, so Google uses, ano mang ginagamit ng Google for their own framework? Anyone? So, it's GWT. Google Web Toolkit. So, yung ginagawa ng Google Web Toolkit is you code in JavaScript. Everything is done on JavaScript. Everything is done in Java with their own library. Okay, so, and then those Java codes will be compiled and turned into an HTML and JavaScript. Okay. Ganun yung ginagawa ng GWT. So, if you're good in Java, you create a web app, you code in Java, and then after that, recompile, and the output is JavaScript and HTML. Because, why? Because that is a web app, and it needs to be in what? HTML and JavaScript. Because that's the only language that the browser understands. Okay, yun yung kanya, parang runtime niya. So you have the runtime. So that runtime actually recognizes HTML and JavaScript. So here comes the year 2009. The two guy, empleyado sila sa Google. I think they are tired of doing programs over and over again. Diba, if you do codes and then you do it over and over again, tiring siya. Okay, and then you have to do it a million lines of code. When you do a certain framework, it will minimize your task. Okay, so in 2009, those two employees invented the AngularJS. Now, the AngularJS, this is not just parang project lang, okay? Yung project of a two-person, this is actually the project of Google itself. Okay? So, rest assured, if you're going to use this framework, because you're going to invest time, really. So, you have to turn around and learn some new tools. Diba? Like me, I do Visual Fax Pro, and then if I'm in front of a guy who's doing parang a different language, and I say, I don't want to learn that. I'm so tired. Parang, di ba? Because you have a lot of learning curve. Okay? So, anong ginawa ng Google is to come up with a simpler approach of making a web app. So that is the AngularJS. So for an introduction, anyone know jQuery? But you know JavaScript, right?
Yes.
I'm Brad Green, and I will play Angular's manager today. All right, so we wanted to take some time in front of you folks, thanks for coming, by the way, talking about what it is that drove us to build Angular.
Hello.